Hey guys, get ready to meet the powerhouse Xiaomi fans have been waiting for. Xiaomi has just unveiled the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Pro, following the Xiaomi 15 launch, and it's packed with some amazing upgrades. First off, let's talk color options. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is available in 3 stunning colors: spruce green, rock gray, and white. Plus, there's also a bright silver edition for those who want a little extra shine. Now, onto that screen. It's a beauty. The Xiaomi 15 Pro sports a 6.73-inch 2K OLED curved display with a silky smooth 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, and with a peak brightness of 3200 nits. This display will stand out even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, backed by the latest 2nd-gen Orion CPU for lightning-fast performance. We're talking a 45% boost in both single-core and multi-core performance. Plus, with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, you'll have all the power and space you need. Let's talk cameras. Xiaomi 15 Pro features a Leica-powered triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Selfie fans, you're getting a 32MP front camera for ultra-crisp shots. Battery and charging. The Xiaomi 15 Pro comes with a massive 6100 mAh battery, and supports 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging, keeping you powered up without the wait. As for the price, it starts at 5,299 yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB variant, offering some serious value for a flagship experience. That's all for now. Do you like the Xiaomi 15 Pro? Drop your thought in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.